Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. Previous few days were really great and happening for me as the results of student union elections were out and was elected as a cultural secretary for this term. And I'm really happy about it, to be honest. The results were expected to be out on 30th, but unexpectedly they came on 29th, and few of my juniors just started congratulating me, and I was uh, unaware of why they're congratulating me. And after about 5 6 messages, I came to know that the results are out and I was elected as a cultural secretary. And that was really great. Like all the wishes, all the best wishes I got, and congratulations I got from everyone just made my day. All the tensions were gone apart, and I was literally the happiest person on the earth at that moment. And that was really the happiest moment for me in this year. I want to thank everyone who voted for me, and especially my friends Sarah and Rupam, who made posters for me, did my all the promotions, the so-called prachar, and made me win. Attached is the video of the interview I gave one day before the elections. Have a look on it and do like, share, subscribe, and comment. So basically, I love learning new things, which is why I love being on a team. And I added on by lockdown, I joined many student organizations, wherein I got the opportunity to conduct various cultural events. So for every project I had till now, we had half dozen different ideas and ways to tackle it. We'll work all together to refine those into one final plan. This is when I developed interest for cultural works. Being open to what others have to say and seeing new and exciting ways which others would think out of the books not only kept me interested in this work I was doing, but drove me to further my own education outside of the work so I could continue to contribute to the work group overall. So this is why I want to be the cultural secretary. I have various plans which I would like to work upon with the help of my team, with help of everyone in the college. And that is mainly my vision for being cultural secretary for this term. One major idea which I would like to introduce is a mental health club, which is not which many people have seen till now, or which many colleges had. But I was thinking of this club like from a very long time, and I've discussed it with my colleagues and all. What is the from like many days I'm getting messages like not directly that many people, many students of our colleges are not mentally well, maybe because of the COVID situation and all. And our college does not have a functional mental club. They do have faculty, but we don't have the club. So I wanted to introduce an idea of something for mental health anonymously, wherein there can be professors and seniors, and students can make a personalized email account with some imaginable name, and they can send their problems through that. And some certified mental counselor can answer them. And if the situation seems severe, help can be provided. And the students can be trained regarding mental health under this initiative. So that is what I want to introduce being the cultural secretary, in addition to forming like some training groups. So personally, what I felt that from starting off my first year, I wanted to learn French, I wanted to learn graphic designing, but there was no specific platform. And due to lockdown, I found various ways of just doing this in 3 months. So basically just 15 minutes a week we can give to students to learn that. And I am I want to apply for this course to have a specific platform to accomplish all this. Thank you very much. Then, first of all, I really think that the events which are occurring till now online, they all are really specific. Like you have a dance competition, have a singing competition, have this competition, that competition, and that is what
most of the people fall in between. Like we all know there are extremes set up by people, and we are in between of that extremes. So basically, as Prachidi and Mansi told about making a website for college, so I plan to do such thing here. If not website, like a basic platform where everyone can see what each person is thinking or writing at there. So if we have a website, everyone will come. Like if I go on the website, I will write my skills, my interests. So basically, if I write designing, poster making, poetry, so that will make a 3 skill. So now another person comes to the website, उसने वो 3 skill देखे, उसे लगा इसमें से एक skill मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता, उसमें 2 और add कर दे जो उसे अच्छा लगता है. So basically that forms a club, a sub club. So you need not give that club a heading. That is club made by myself for my things. So people will join that club if they are interested in that. So people can just learn things there. So that will basically increase the participation because you are doing what you want to do. So that will increase the participation. That will increase the crowd in that club. So basically, they can do whatever they want. If they want to do an activity, if they want to conduct an event, they can reach out to me as a cultural secretary, and I will execute that plan in as better way as possible. So that is one thing prior to any event. So once the event is like established, then how to increase the participation? First thing is to plan unique and creative events like which will motivate people to join to try something new, not just the conventional things. You join to get a subscription of this thing, you join to get cash prize. Nothing is that. You will join to learn something. So like you can various events are there, like innovative events. First is like taking the spin. You just play, if I say in Hindi, you just play a jua, which is the ethical jua. So you can do that related to medical education and culture. Then there can be various movie nights. You can discuss the movie nights. So that one club can be Hindi or Bollywood series, one can be Korean series. You can have plenty of such things. After that, I plan to introduce skill-based workshop, as I told earlier, where people want to learn but they can't learn owing to the time issues. So they can learn. That will increase the participation. And the main thing is sponsorships. So I have cordial relationship with various sponsors like DAM, C, Gurukul, Maro, Prepladder, Voltage, Viewer, Lecturer, etc. And I have good communication skills, and I can surely arrange for more. And other than that, as so the next part of question was to plan for the annual cultural fest. So annual cultural fest needs to go online. There is no possibility of offline. To be theoretical, we can't like afford making a crowd of people for the fest as the situation is not going to come to normal any soon. So that has to go online, and I have various ideas which when combined would make a great program. The idea which was there for long in my mind is to conduct a virtual college tour wherein you can walk through corridors, order food from cafe. So cafe will be imaginative but food will be original. Pose in front of Mata, roam in garden and auditorium stairs just through your laptop. And that's true and that's really possible. I have done major research on it. On social media, we will create reels for students to remix and exciting filters to get to know our college and much more. As we're students from all over India, we can keep a day for virtual exchange. Sorry to interrupt, and we can, Ravneet, can you please? To summarize it, I just need to introduce some fun events like virtual game night. There can be online workouts, there can be online paid night, mini master classes and all. And that was it. Thank you very much for the opportunity.